Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee and Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my classic size happy planner. I am planning for the week, let's see, of March 14th through the 20th. So let me go ahead and take those off the disc. And this week I am using the Modern Wild Happy Planner sticker book. This is one of the new spring releases. So I'm going to plan using that book, and I'll probably also use this flip book because I think the colors kind of match pretty well, so we'll see. So I'll go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that's it. I'm not sure. I really like the sticker book, but I kind of struggled with how to get this spread done. Just a little bit. You saw me taking things up, putting them down. So, yeah, but I like it. Let me go ahead and put them back on the disc. And as you can see, I still have these purple discs on, so maybe I'll get it done this weekend. So, all right. Let me get those in there. And I've got all kind of papers just stuck in my planner. So let me fix it. All right, so there's that. Now for my VB pens for the week with this spread. I think I'm going to use this one. This is called Artesian. It's kind of like a brownish color. And I think I want to find a pink. Let's see if I have any pink with gold hardware. Maybe not. The pink with gold. I've got a lot of pink and rose gold. Pink and silver. Okay, so let's see what else I have. That's going to go with this. Maybe I'll just use this neutral. I think I'll use that. This is VB Nude. Well, I don't know if that's the name of it, but this is the VB pen that came with the neutral nude planner. So I think I'll go with those two. So, all right, guys, so that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.